And in terms of the current valuation environment for VC-backed companies, you've seen stable portfolio valuations, relatively few fair value movements, and exits have been done at somewhat above the carrying value. Yeah, can you discuss the valuation environment that you're seeing at the moment?
Yeah, I think there's always two parts. One is valuation for new deals, and I think the venture ecosystem in Europe, which is where we look to invest in new companies, is being a little bifurcated between kind of AI-driven or perceived winners taking quite significant multiples on valuations, and then perhaps some of the other companies struggling a little more to raise capital. Through 24, we probably saw that picture improving. We saw more VC funds raising new capital sources, and I think into 25 we'll see that unwinding somewhat. VC is, because of its long-term nature, is very much correlated to interest rates as well. So we see kind of macro swings playing a significant factor in the perception of interest rates, but then that then feeds through to the perception of valuation multiples. So that, I think that will continue, although we're probably fair to say that the last couple of years we've been through the worst of that. From our own portfolio perspective, we follow the IPEV guidelines, and we're very sensible about how we mark our assets. We're slow to move them up in terms of increasing value, and we're ensuring that we move them down in advance when we're starting to see that the companies may not be hitting some of their proof points that we'd want to see. And over the 8 years that we've been listed, that's proven to be the right way to approach our valuations, and we've had then the cadence of realizations that really give the litmus test to investors to show that we've been holding them at the right levels. And so I'm happy with the way that we've moved the assets up, and I'm happy with the way that we've subsequently moved them down if they haven't hit their targets. And I think we've been able to demonstrate to investors that we've been very sensible about those marks.